Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading with a focus on a rewarding opportunity, the Bitget Referral Code. If you're looking to explore new platforms, expand your trading strategies, or simply earn more from your crypto endeavors, then you're in for a treat. Bitget, known for its robust trading options and user-friendly interface, has something special for its users. And guess what? You can get even more out of your trading experience by using the referral code 4H6K. Why use a Bitget referral code? With the code 4H6K1, unlock rewards, enjoy up to 40% commission from each friend you refer, adding a delightful bonus to your earnings from trades. 2. Exclusive discounts. Gain access to reduced trading fees, ensuring more of your profits stay in your pocket. 3. Enhanced experience. Participate in exclusive events and receive personalized support, making your trading journey smoother and more enjoyable. How can you make use of this code? Here's how. Register on Bitget. Head over to the Bitget website or app. Enter the referral code. During registration, enter 4H6K as your Bitget referral code. It's simple and ensures you won't miss out on the benefits. Invite and earn. After setting up your account, invite friends using your own unique referral link or code to begin earning commissions. Remember, using the Bitget referral code 4H6K isn't just about earning more, it's about enhancing your entire trading experience. Imagine getting real-time market insights, participating in trading competitions, and enjoying benefits that not everyone gets. That's the power of referrals on Bitget. So, what are you waiting for? Enter 4H6K now, unlock your trading potential, and start your journey towards financial freedom with Bitget. Let's make trading rewarding together.